Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Neo Coin. Sorry in advance if my quality or the video audio is not as good. I don't have my mic with me right now. Anyways, let's dive into Neo Coin Market Cap first. We got Neo, 219,000 people on the watch list. In my opinion, probably one of the most underrated coin out there. They call it the Chinese Ethereum. Currently traded at $45 approximately, guys. We got a market cap of $3.1 billion. Very, very undervalued, in my opinion. So, let's dive into the Bitcoin charts real quick, because the Bitcoin chart will determine usually, guys, most of the time where this market is going. Right now, we are seeing altcoin pumps, as you guys can see. Bitcoin is red. So, I would say we're seeing a little alt, not an alt season, but an alt day, I would say. Anyway, starting off with Bitcoin, let's have a look at the VPVR volume profile real quick. We got the volume profile right here. This is the point of control. This is where the demand is right here for Bitcoin at approximately 36,864. I've been talking about this this site for quite some time now, and well, at least for a few days. And we should see essentially Bitcoin come back and bounce there. It's going to be very interesting. We do have some support right here between here and here, resistance support bouncing up and down. So it's actually going to be very interesting to see if we can essentially break down or break up. That being said, in the next couple of days, we're going to have to see what Bitcoin does. And we are sort of seeing a nice little correction right now after 12 to 10 to 12 day straight daily candle essentially. So we could see potentially either a bull flag, which is something like this. Sorry, this was horrible. We could see something like that potentially, or just a nice little correction before going up, a nice little leg. So usually we're gonna see after after 10 straight days, we're gonna see something like this, come back down, and then continue up. Very possible, guys. Corrections are good. They're healthy for the market, in my opinion. If you see 20 straight green candles, that's not a good sign. I wouldn't know, and essentially people wouldn't know when to get in. They would wait for corrections. So corrections are good. They're healthy. Let's take that away. Going on into Neo now, guys. Neo Coin, Neo Gas, whatever you guys want to call it. We had, first of all, on the 4-hour time frame, we had this nice little rising wedge. Now, as you guys know, rising wedge usually come and break down, and they meet and come back exactly where essentially they started. So this is exactly what happened. And of course, I'm not doing a TA on the future, on the price right now. I just want to teach you guys what a rising wedge is for you guys who don't know. As you guys can see right here, this was our target, so this would have been a nice beautiful short if you guys shorted all the way down. If we take right here and we shorted it potentially to $25, that would have been a nice exit of 33%. If you are using up to 3x leverage or multiplier, whatever you guys want to call it, margin, that would have been 100% gain, guys, in approximately 3 weeks, which is fantastic. Even less, 2 weeks, which is very good, very beautiful. So yeah, so we got a nice little rebound off this nice little support right here. As you guys can see, we tested here a few times and broke out. So Neo has been performing extremely well. Where can it go from here? That's a good question. Up almost 100%. So we do have a conflict right here. We do have a resistance. So it's going to be very interesting to see if we could actually break this resistance clean. Let's zoom in real quick. If we manage to break this resistance clean, I would say $50 would be good just to have a clean breakout. We should essentially see, let's go on the daily chart. We should essentially pop to the upside. I would say do another run to 65. And then after that, we should essentially meet this resistance right here, which is 82. And then after that, we could try for 124. These are my targets for Neo. We could even go straight right here to 81 from 44 of almost 100% gain. That's very possible as well. Like I said, guys, it's going to be very interesting. These next couple of weeks are going to be actually very interesting. A lot of people think Bitcoin's in a bear market still. I don't think so. We broke above the EMA ribbon. Having a look at Neo and the EMA ribbon, guys, we haven't broken these EMA ribbon since the 20th of May 2021. We've been hitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we essentially broke it on the 7th try. So we've been breaking these. We had a nice little breakout, came back, retested right here once, came back, retested it twice, and essentially broke out. So very good, guys. These breakouts and these corrections and these rebounds are essentially, or these retests are essentially very good, very healthy. I wouldn't be I wouldn't be mad or anything if Neo did something like this essentially, or exploded on August 13 or even the 6th, whatever it is. But red candles, guys, is good. It's good for the market. It's healthy for the market. And that's all I have to say. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.